So today we are going to Catherine Hall to look at 3 different developments, 1 completed and 2 being constructed. Welcome or welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy and this is our development series. If you love these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Now let's get into it. I'm at one of them roundabouts in the Catherine Hall area. That's the West Green sign over there, and rather over this side, and straight ahead is a construction site that I want to visit. Alright, so we're coming up on Montego Bay Drive. Oh, him send me here so do what I go on here so. This construction I go on here so. Never expected to reach this far. So this is where like the highway where they have Vista Print and all of that. That's what we're coming towards. I'm starting from here and then I'm going all the way back around back that side because I expected to see only one construction site there. But on my way over he pointed out 3 different sites. So I don't know what one you're gonna be. I don't know which site this is gonna be. I don't know who to talk to. Summer can record. Alright, so I spoke to some of them and you know they just arrived. Apparently the Asian gentlemen just arrived today or recently. They don't speak a lot of English, so I wasn't able to get clearly what they're doing. What they're doing is putting up the framework though for this new construction that is going to be taking place in Catherine Hall. Right? Yeah, so I never know say all of this your construction going on in Catherine Hall. Just saying to me. So as I said, this site it's right on the highway. I'm gonna go out to the front over there across from Vista Print. Alright. So let's see if I can get a nice wide shot. My guys, let me tell you, so the sun hot it turn up. So they put it everything. I guess this is a framework that we're seeing here. I'm gonna once again show on the outside and I am going to record over that side so you can see exactly where it is located. Thank you. All right, bye. So very helpful. All right. So this is the location. I'm gonna use my umbrella for shade me and my phone because it just overheated. Once again, let me show you the sign. We are at Dr. Marker Brown Road, and right behind this is the construction site that I just showed you guys. Now beside it, I see Rubis, a sign, a big sign, Rubis. You are approaching Rubis Mega Mart, but I'm not sure if this is the construction site because I'm assuming that the Rubis gas station would be closer to Mega Mart, which is further into the Catherine Hall community. Really a good direction. Of course, if we go through that, go down the road there in front of us, it would take you to Tucker Irving and the like. If you go down that side, it will take you to Westgate. Clock and back in town if you want, Mount Salem, all of that area. Turn to the right at the stoplight at Westgate and it would take you to like Westgate Hills, Irwin Community, Sign Irwin Community down that side, Irwindale, Portobello. That's where that side would take you. And if you were to take the road this side, it would take you to Fairview, Bogue, etc. and even back in town. Finally start work again. All right, so from our last location before we got cut off, I passed the roundabout that is right in front of the West Green community, and the same roundabout that you'd use to turn into the Rada complex. Then after that we passed a church and an early childhood education school, and then right here in front of us we have the Awada complex name, Catherine Hall Iconic Plaza, and I'm at the roundabout right beside the Catherine Iconic Plaza. So this site now is where the National Bakery is going to be located. Right, not much going on the site, but just to give you an idea. Remember I said I'm not going to be taking too long of a video. This is the National Bakery construction site. They are ready to really get started with construction but are currently short staffed. If you have any of the following expertise, please visit the site. So they need crane operators, skid steer operators, laborers, and steel workers. Share with as many people as you can because I'm sure a lot of people could use some extra money. And at the side, I got information from the other side. So it's right here. We are turning from here. You have Northwestern Transport Association across the street, and the set's right here. All right, now so coming from around this side, as you can see the Catherine Hall Stadium complex. So I'm going to, I wonder if I should go back all the way around. Should I go back around? No, I think okay, no, I'm gonna go walk here. So I'm gonna walk here. The rain has started. It's starting to drizzle, but I have my umbrella. At least it's a little bit cooler, and let's see if the phone can handle it. I'm gonna stop the video, come more than likely that's something I got overheat until me walk go all the way to the other side, and hopefully we see the rubies, and me probably have to go back around to the other side to see the other construction. And I'm kind of wanted to go to Free Zone as well. A whole of places I want to go, but it's about to rain, so I may have to cut it short today. So yeah, I'll meet you around the other side. I'm in here before I go over to the rubies. So we are over at Megamart, and as you can see, there is the new Rubis gas station that is right inside of Megamart Plaza. So when you finish shopping, you can stop by the gas station. Yeah. All right, now let's go around to the other side, which means that I'm gonna have to walk down this road here, walk down here, so, and then go, but so it's basically a U-turn, a roundabout, a full circle, a loop, because I think we saw a construction along that side there. So I'm gonna go around that side now, meet you over there. You know, if I laugh, my pop, I would have popped it up, I'm kind of slim. Anyways, it's the same sides that I showed you guys just a while ago. Not the ruby side, before the ruby side, right? It's the same thing. It looks like the same thing to me, because I remember seeing this big equipment right here further in the back. So things think it's the same thing. All right, so I'm going back in town because I'm tired. And probably when I go back in town, I find some other construction site to share with you guys. I will have to do like the other sites that I was planning on like another time. What time is it now? 3:49. We'll see. One thing I know will save me in the hot sun here is this water bottle, and the water bottle cozier will make for easy access to my water bottle, because the thirst one I feel today, not pretty.